In the matrix problem, to make a matrix problem, initial we have to make initial we have to make a initial trip distribution matrix. To make this matrix, write the zone 1 2 3, and zone is 1 2 3, and the values are from 1 to 1 is 0, 2 to 2 is 0, 3 to 3 the trip is 0. For 1 to 2, say our trip is say 104. For 1 to 3 the trip is 36. For 2 to 1 it is 261. For 2 to 3 is value is 69, and 3 to 1 the value is 147, and 3 to 2 the value is 133. So we write the entire matrix here. So let's remove the previous part. We do not need that actually. Now we have the matrix. Now our attraction, say our attraction and production, we have to see that the value. Adding up 104 plus 36 will give 140, 261 plus 69 will give us 330, 147 plus 133 give us 280. These are the total production, and adding up column wise, 261 plus 147 give us 408, 104 plus 133 give us 237, and 36 plus 69 give us 105. These are the values. These are the values for the initial trip distribution matrix. However, there is imbalancing issues. Say for example, if attraction, our actual attraction, what is our actual attraction? We have to write the actual attraction. Again, correction for the actual production. So write the actual attraction. Say our actual attractions are 300, 270, 180. 300, 270 and 180 as per the question. So we have to make the correction for this. We have to make our correction. The calculated attraction is not equal to the actual attraction, so we have to make the correction for this. For using this, we have to use this formula. Our Tij will be Aj, that is actual attraction divided by our attraction given here Tj into Tij, the calculated value. So our trip will be, our actual trip will be actual attraction divided by calculated attraction into calculated trip. So let's calculate it in a table. Say in the trial we have to calculate the value. So this is the zone 1 2 3 and zone 1 2 and 3. We have to write the attraction value here and production value here. So 1 to 1 is 0, 1 to 2 is 0, 1 to 3 is 0. In the 2 to 1 the value will be our actual attraction divided by attraction into calculated value. Actual attraction is 300, the attraction, calculated attraction 408 multiplied by 261, it will give us the value of 192, close to 192, rounding up the value. And for the 3 to 1 the value is, the actual attraction is 300 divided by 408, that is calculated attraction, into our calculated trip is 147. So the actual trip will be 108. So summing up 192 plus 108 will give us the total attraction 300, which is matching with the actual value right now. Again for 2 to 1, again for 1 to 2 the value will be, our actual attraction is 270 divided by 237 into 104 will give us the value of 118. Similarly for 3 to 1 this value will be, actual attraction is 270 for 237 attraction into, I am using this formula, and multiplied by calculated trip, our trip was 133, so now the actual trip will be 52. So adding 118 and 52 give us 270, which matches with the actual value. Again for 1 to 3, this value will be 180, that is actual attraction by attraction, into number of trip is 36, will give us 62. Similarly for 2 to 3, this value will give us 180 divided by 105 into the value given is 69, so give us the value 118. So these will be the matrix. These will be the matrix here. So now adding up, say adding up 118 and 62 give us 180, 192 plus 118 give us 310, 108 plus 52 give us the value of 260. But what was our actual production in the question? The actual production was this value, 140, 330 and 280. So now we have to go to the trial 2. We have to go to the trial 2. This is the last trial. We do not need to do more than 2 trial. So to do the trial 2, again write zone 1, 2 and 3. Here also write zone 1, 2 and 3. Our attraction will be here and production will be here. So 1 to 1 is nothing, 2 to 2 is 0 and 3 to 3 also 0. So to calculate over here, we have to calculate the actual production by production. So our actual production was 140, production was 180 here, and the trip was 118. So this give us value of 92. Always remember that the trip is should not be in decimal, it will be always a round up value. Similarly for 1 to 3, our actual production is 140, production is 180 into trip was 62, multiplied this will give us 48. Similarly for 2 to 1, our actual production was 330, this will be actually 330 divided by 310 multiplied by 192 was the trip, it gave us 204. Similarly for 2 to 3, our actual production was 330, production was 310 multiplied by 118 give us 126. For 3 to 1, our actual production was 280, production was 260 multiplied by 108 give us the value of 116. And for 3 to 2, our actual production was 280, production was 260 multiplied by number of trip was 52. So this give us the new or calculated trip was 164. So this was the table. This was the table. This was the table. This was the table. So now if we add this, 204 plus 116 give us 320, 92 plus 164 give us 256, 92 plus 48 give us the production of 140, 204 plus 126 give us the value 330, 116 plus 162 give us the value 280. So no need to have further trial. No need to have further trial. So these are the answers. So we can write clearly the zone 1, 2, 3, zone 1, 2, 3. Our values 1 to 1, 1 to 2 to 2, 2 to 3 is 0, and 1 to 2 is 92 as we obtained here 48, and 204 for 2 to 1, 2 to 3 is 126, 3 to 1 is 116, 3 to 2 is 164. Our production value we can write over here, and our attraction can also, attraction is 320, 256, and this value is 174. Actually I missed it, it should be written over here, it is 180 here. we are adding up this here 180, 174. So lastly we get the value 174 in the attraction for 3, and for 1 production is 140, 2 is 330, and production 3 for 3 is 280. So these are the metrics. These are the metrics after 2 trial we are calculating this. Thank you so much for watching this.